Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for Stewart County in west central Georgia until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Eufaula, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter size hit. Source,
What?
radar indicated. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will
Oh
occur.
no.
Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lumpkin,
What in the world was that?
Wjsp in Providence, Canyon State Park. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses.
What is happening?
Your vehicle to the exit or abandon your vehicle.
Oh no.
Time, but it is exceedingly difficult to prove.
What in
This
the
is an unusual
world
case.
was that?
There isn't exactly